Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's biggest Ultra refresh in years, and if the latest leaks are accurate, this 2027 flagship could deliver faster performance, a redesigned camera approach, a brighter and smarter display, One UI 9.0 with next-gen Galaxy AI, and a larger battery built for all-day power users. Samsung hasn't officially announced the Galaxy S27 Ultra yet, but reports are already painting a clear picture of what to expect. Here's the complete leaked and rumored breakdown of the Galaxy S27 Ultra specs, features, design changes, camera upgrades, and expected price ahead of its 2027 launch. Galaxy S27 Ultra design, a fresh look with a new camera layout. Samsung has kept the Galaxy S Ultra design language fairly consistent since the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but the Galaxy S27 Ultra could finally introduce a more noticeable redesign, especially on the back. Multiple leaks suggest Samsung may switch to a new rear camera layout and, surprisingly, reduce the total number of rear cameras to 3. If this rumor holds true, it would be a major change for the Ultra lineup, which has leaned on multiple zoom lenses for years. A 3-camera setup could mean Samsung is focusing on higher quality sensors and smarter processing rather than simply adding more lenses. Expect the Galaxy S27 Ultra to continue using premium materials, including a metal frame and toughened glass on both the front and back. Like previous models, an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance is also expected, keeping the phone protected for everyday use and travel. Galaxy S27 Ultra display, 6.9-inch, dynamic AMOLED 2X with peak brightness. Up to 3000 nits if you buy the Ultra for the screen. The Galaxy S27 Ultra should deliver. Leaks point to a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED to X display with a sharp QHD resolution, a smooth variable refresh rate up to 120 Hz, and HDR10+ support for high contrast, streaming, and gaming. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is brightness. Reports suggest the Galaxy S27 Ultra could hit up to 3000 nits peak brightness, which would make outdoor visibility significantly better, especially in harsh sunlight. Another interesting rumor is Samsung's privacy display technology, designed to improve on-screen privacy in public spaces by limiting off-angle visibility. If Samsung brings this to the S27 Ultra, it could become a standout feature for commuters, travelers, and anyone who works on the Go. Other expected display features include an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, plus continued S Pen support. If Samsung keeps the bundled S Pen approach, the S27 Ultra remains the top choice for note-taking, sketching, productivity, and precision navigation. Galaxy S27 Ultra camera leaks, 200MP main camera, upgraded ultra-wide, and a major zoom change. The Galaxy S Ultra series is known for camera hardware, and the Galaxy S27 Ultra looks ready to continue that legacy, but with a different strategy. Main camera, newer sensor expected. Samsung has used a 200MP main sensor across multiple Ultra generations, and the Galaxy S27 Ultra is expected to keep the 200MP headline spec. The key rumor, however, is that Samsung may switch to a newer 200MP sensor designed to improve overall image quality, boost dynamic range, sharpen detail, and reduce noisiest, especially in low light. 50MP ultra-wide with autofocus leaks also suggest an improved 50MP ultra-wide camera with autofocus. Autofocus on ultra-wide lenses is a big deal because it improves close-up shots, enables better macro photography, and delivers more consistent focus across different shooting scenarios. 50MP telephoto with 5x optical, zoom 4, zoom 4, zoom. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is rumored to include a larger 50MP telephoto sensor paired with a 5x optical zoom lens, along with optical image stabilization, OIS, and autofocus. That combination would be designed for crisp, long-range shots, stabilized zoom video, and better portrait-style framing at distance. But there's a catch. It's the most debated rumor. Galaxy S27 Ultra could drop the 3x telephoto camera cording to current leaks. Samsung may remove the second telephoto camera, the 3x optical zoom lens that has been common in recent Ultra models. If Samsung really goes with just 3 rear cameras, the lineup could be main, ultra-wide, and 5x telephoto. Why would Samsung do that? The leaks hint at 2 possible advantages: more internal space for a bigger battery, or improved cooling, a cleaner camera system that relies on sensor cropping, AI upscaling, and computational photography to cover the missing zoom range. Samsung's processing is strong enough. It may be able to deliver solid 3x-like results without dedicating a separate lens to it. Still, this move would be controversial among camera enthusiasts, so it's one of the biggest things to watch as more information appears. Front camera and biometrics, 12MP, selfie plus 3D face scanning. The front, the Galaxy S27 Ultra, is rumored to feature a 12MP selfie camera with autofocus. That would be a practical upgrade for sharper selfies and better focus. In vlogs and video calls, even more interesting is the rumor that Samsung could pair it with a 3D face scanning system powered by Polar ID 4. Additional biometric authentication. If accurate, this would suggest Samsung is exploring a more advanced face unlock experience, potentially improving security and reliability. Video features, 4K 60 FPS everywhere, plus 8000 with 10-bit Super HDR video upgrades could be a major selling point for the Galaxy S27 Ultra. Current reports claim all cameras may support 4000 recording at 60 fps. The rear cameras could support 8K at 30 FPS 1/0-bit. Super HDR and improved stabilization may be included for smoother, more cinematic-looking. Samsung nails consistency across lens, especially color matching and stabilization. The S27 Ultra could be positioned as one of the best Android phones for creators in 2027. Galaxy S27 Ultra Performance, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro for Galaxy powering the Galaxy S27 Ultra. Leaks point to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro for Galaxy. As usual, the for Galaxy branding suggests a customized or higher-binned version, tuned for Samsung's flagship, potentially offering better sustained performance and efficiency. Expected base memory and storage starts at 12 GB RAM minimum. 256 GB storage. Base connectivity rumors include a full flagship set, 5G sub-6 GHz, and Wave, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, UWB, NFC, USB-C, with up to 5 Gbps transfer speeds, full GNSS support, including GPS. In short, the Galaxy S27 Ultra is expected to be built for speed, low latency, wireless performance, and future-proof connectivity. Battery and charging, 5,500 mAh. Could be the real upgrade. One of the most exciting leaks is the battery. Reports claim Samsung may increase capacity to 5,500 mAh, which would be a notable jump and could translate into better endurance for gaming, camera use, and heavy Galaxy AI features. Charging speeds, however, may remain the same as the previous generation if Samsung already upgraded charging on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Current expectations are up to 60 West wired charging to 5W wireless charging via Qi 2.2 compatible chargers, so while charging may not get faster, a larger battery could be the bigger win, especially for real-world daily use software. Android 17, One UI 9.0, and next-gen Galaxy AIIF Galaxy S27 Ultra is expected to launch with Android 17 and One UI 9.0 out of the box. Samsung's software support has become a major selling point, and based on recent policy, the S27 Ultra could receive up to 7 years of Android OS and security updates.